Got my 2008 Chevy Express again. We're gonna be doing the power steering lines. They seem to be leaking pretty bad. I got these Edelmans from Rock Auto. So let's get started. I don't think you gotta remove these, but I'm gonna do it just so you guys can get a better view. 2 10 mils up here. Get this mass airflow sensor off. And then there's a stubby in the back. Not a stubby. I meant you gotta get a stubby screwdriver to undo this clamp back here. All right, now we just pull. The whole thing comes off. Careful with this line. We'll put it back later. It goes back there. It's just a PCV system. I'm gonna take this reservoir off, but first there's a screw back here. Looks like it's a 7 mil clamp. Went ahead and took this cover off. It's just kind of in the way. Now we got a straight shot at the clamp. Okay, I'm gonna turn this to loosen it. And I'm gonna pull up. Be sure you have a pan underneath. Okay. There we go. Just a little bit of fluid came out. Now we're gonna take these two off. Not sure what this ground goes to, but gotta remember to put it back. Ended up buying it like that, so there's a lot of things that are a mystery in this. All right, you just want to move it to the side. Now we can take this out and just move it. And let's just move this one as well. Just kind of goes up, comes out. Now we got some room over there. All right, these are the 2 lines I'm gonna put in. As you can see, I gotta remove the one. Well, you could probably get the other one with another wrench, but we're gonna do both anyway. So, right here with your 18 mil. Okay, here we go. There we go. All right, pull them out like that. And again, there's gonna be fluid. I'm gonna move that to the side while I remove this one. All right, 16 mil. Surprisingly, that wasn't as tough as I thought. Same with the other, pull up. Okay, now we can set them to the side. Let's trace them down. Looks like somebody did a zip tie down there. God, look at this sloppy work. Just gonna go ahead and cut this with the zip tie. All right, now we're gonna go under the vehicle. And we're gonna look up. And right on the power steering pump, we're gonna take this line off. And let's crank on it. Just go ahead and loosen it all the way. Make sure you got a drain pan because this one will throw out more fluid. And it's starting to drip. Oh yeah. And I'm just gonna aim it down. Now from the top, we can angle it up and push it through. It's gonna be caught on the other line though. And there's no particular way of pulling it out, just angle it as best you can. Now we can compare it to our new line. You can see our new part has this opening right here. We're gonna plug that off and we're just gonna grab this plug and put it on. Okay, so for our other line, it's actually this one right here. It goes right to the steering gear. We're just gonna take out this front cover, 15 mils. Maybe we can get a better view. There we go. All right. So if you look at it from the side of the steering gear, you're gonna go up here and it's actually this line right here, right at the top. And it's an 18 mil. Let's go ahead and loosen it. All right, I ended up cutting off the line because it started to get rounded on the bolt right here. And then I just got the right adapter or the right socket and I managed to pull it out. This is the new line. Just kind of pull the old one over like that. And then this will go underneath this one. Oh man, it's getting dirty. That's what I didn't want. And again, there's no particular way of doing this. Just do it as best you can. Push this over. Okay. There we go. Kind of tucked away like that. I'm gonna clean this up and then put the O-ring. Once you get it nice and cleaned up, go ahead and put the O-ring in it, and then we're gonna push it down. And then you're gonna push the lines under. From what I can tell, should go under these brake lines. And you're gonna make it pop up over here, and you're gonna fish your other line through as well. All right, I got it lined up here, at the top. Got them in too. Go ahead and start tightening everything down after you do that. And I'm gonna finish this off camera. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.